cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Bogart Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Hyundai Kona, and we're going to do the wheel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the rim looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire chrome section of the rim. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire rim. Taking it to the car wash will be more easier and more effective since you can remove all the contaminants from the rim with the car wash. But if you can't take it to a car wash, you can use these two solutions. The first one is Slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water, and then the second one is Tack solution, which is 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. So just make sure you grab your Slip solution and apply it onto the rim, and with a microfiber towel remove all the contaminants that the rim may have. And if you still feel that the rim is dirty, the Tack solution can help remove the remaining contaminants. Since the rim is more exposed to road debris, it may have grease and other contaminants, so you can use Tack solution to help remove the extra contaminants that it may have. Okay, so we're starting with piece number one. With this one, when you do the installation for this piece, it would be the same for the remaining pieces that look identical. So with this one, just make sure to align it, work your way to the other end, and just make sure the chrome is being covered. Pretty simple, straightforward. And just lift and adjust it and keep it aligned until you reach it to the bottom. And that's pretty much it. Just double check, make sure that the chrome is being covered, and grab your squeegee, remove all of the air that may be trapped underneath the film. And that's pretty much how you would go about the install for this one. These two, pretty identical. Just align it. You could use either edge, do your alignment, place it, tack it down, place it, tack it down, and remove the air. And then once you're done installing each piece, the last thing to do would be to post-heat everything. So once you finish with the entire installation for the wheel chrome delete, the last thing to do would be to post-heat everything. So you're just going to grab a heat device. You can use a heat gun or hair dryer, use the lowest setting, and apply heat evenly throughout each piece. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. Take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the install. So that concludes the installation video for the wheel chrome delete installation for the Hyundai Kona. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also don't forget to check out our other pre-cut kit for the Kona. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.